Si Era, ang tindi rin niya. Parang yung boses niya, isa ring old soul, pero with new energy. Singing that song requires a lot of maturity, I think. Tsaka kailangan gets mo siya dahil hindi magaan yung sinasabi ng kanta. So hindi rin pwedeng magaan yung pagkakanta. Kailangan may diin, kailangan may bigat na taglay, 'di ba? At I think when she sang yung verse pa lang, tsaka lalo na yung verse kasi usually lalo na sa song na yun, hindi mo siya dapat dinadaanan lang. Kailangan ninanamnam mo yung bawat salita. At nagawa ni Era yun. And I think she would be in great hands with Coach Zach. Kasi yung consistency ng vocal, yung technique, at saka pati yung bigat ng pagkanta niya, I think mapapalabas siya ni Coach Zach talaga. So, good luck sa'yo, Era, and we'll see you soon.